You can view your Excel worksheets in different ways, depending on the task at hand. The View tab displays all of the settings you'll need to change your workbook views. Show or hide different parts of your workbook. Magnify workbook information. Or change how the Excel window displays your workbook data. In the Workbook Views group, the current view will be selected. Normal View is the one you'll use most often, since it allows you to concentrate on developing the content of your worksheet. To find out what a different view has to offer, just point to the command for that view to display its description. You can change your view by simply clicking the one you want. Keep in mind that the three most commonly used views are also available as command buttons on the status bar at the bottom of the Excel window. Here you'll find buttons for Normal View, Page Layout View, and Page Break Preview, so that even when the View tab is not displayed, you can still easily switch views. When you want to print a worksheet, it's helpful to know where page breaks occur. To see the page breaks, choose Page Break Preview. Page breaks are displayed as blue lines on a worksheet. The Welcome to Page Break Preview dialog box explains how you can change the location of a page break. Click OK to close the dialog box. To change a page break, point to it to display a double-headed arrow. Then just click and drag it to a different location. To insert a page break in a worksheet, select the column or row where you want the break to appear, keeping in mind that the break is inserted directly before the selected row or column. Then, on the ribbon, select the Page Layout tab. Click the Breaks command and choose Insert Page Break. To remove a page break, select the row below or the column to the right of the page break. Then click the Breaks command and choose Remove Page Break. To reset page breaks to their default locations, click the Breaks button and choose Reset All Page Breaks. In addition to the views available on the View tab, you can create custom views to have your workbooks displayed just the way you want. To create a custom view for a workbook, start by changing any settings you want to save in the view. For example, you may want to specify certain format or print options. Then, on the View tab, choose Custom Views. Click the Add button. Enter a name for the view. Then select the options you want to include in the view, and click OK. Once you've created a view in a workbook, it's available anytime you're working in that workbook. Just click the Custom Views button and select the one you want. As you work in a worksheet, you may want to hide certain screen elements to better suit the way you're working in the Excel window. You can do this using the options in the Show Hide group of the View tab. For example, if you find the worksheet grid lines distracting, you can hide them by deselecting the Grid Lines option. You can also hide the formula bar and the column and row headings. To redisplay these screen elements, just reselect the appropriate options.